Hi everyone, this is my introduction video. My name is Sarah Moore. To start with, to introduce myself, again, I'm Sarah Moore. I am married. I have been married to Sid for 12 years, and I have 3 kids. They're up here in this picture when we were at South Dakota Badlands this summer, which was really awesome. As a teacher, I spent 3 years in a small town in western Kansas teaching 7th through 12th grade English and speech and creative writing. And then I spent 2 years in a town where I taught strictly freshman English and creative writing, but I had about 12 times the amount of students at that school than I did at the first one. Now I actually am a substitute teacher. I have had opportunities to teach long-term in senior English. Last year I spent all of second semester and the last 2 weeks of first semester teaching senior English. So I will direct most of my video toward that. My hobbies are teaching, because it's kind of my hobby, traveling, reading, writing, just enjoying being a mom. Um, On to the critical reflection. So my school does NWEA testing. For the most part, the analysis has been left to the teacher, which it isn't always effective unless you teach the teacher how to do an analysis. But this year, they are actually making changes. We have a new curriculum director, and he is changing how the testing and everything is done. We also have department meetings. Unfortunately, up until this year, we have only met once per 9 week as a department. But again, this year they've made changes, and we now have early outs once a month so that departments and across the school district we can meet and align things and make sure everybody's on the same page. The school does not require midterms. It only requires finals at the end of semesters, so that's more data for teachers. And then at the elementary, and I know this because my kids went to elementary there, they use the Ames web testing, and they use it, and it's highly analyzed there. They really depend on it, and they do a fantastic job of tailoring your child's instruction to their Ames web results. A critique of myself. In the past, I have used the NWEA results. I did not have anybody telling me how to go about using them. I had to just look through, figure out where my students were, and track it for myself. Typically, I would look at it and make sure that where each child's reading level was, what did I need to do to get them closer to being on track. I also use their assignments to keep track of if they understand what's going on in class. Class discussions are very important to me, and I try and listen to all of my students' input. And then I also try and look at their pre-test versus their post-test to make sure that they did learn and that there is measurable growth. My plan for in the future, to continue to evaluate their NWEA testing results. I'm excited to see what the new curriculum director does this year for making changes on that. I want to make sure I look at them per student, but also per class and how, as a class as a whole, what they need. I will use their assignments and their assessments to help determine where they are. Reteaching skills if I have to. Making sure things are aligned with the state standards and checking their reading skills as well. And then continuing to meet with the other teachers and the curriculum director. It's really important to make sure that we are all on the same page, we are teaching the same subjects, we are teaching in the same ways to make sure that we are benefiting our students to the best of our ability. Thank you everyone, and I'm excited about this class.